We have a Think Gizmo ice maker here that stopped making ice after 2 years of flawless operation. It was running hard and constant and was hot to the touch. The water pump was working fine and the refrigeration was working hard, but it simply just wasn't making any ice. To open the unit, take out these 6 screws, then the back panel pops right off. It's kind of hard to get back on. A small flathead screwdriver will help to guide the metal back into place. Okay, so there was a thick layer of dust all over, and especially on the heat sink on the fan. I didn't record until blowing out the dust, that's why you don't see it here. I had already taken it out to the garage and used an air compressor to blow the dust out. Now you can see that it's all clean, and upon visual inspection, I don't see anything else wrong. So, not going to do anything else. Could be that merely that thick layer of dust on the heatsink is all that was wrong, and could very well be stopping proper operation of the refrigeration. So everything else looks good. That's the heatsink right there. That's that metal grate looking thing behind it that really likes to collect the dust. That's critical for the operation of the refrigeration. Anyway, everything else looks just fine. This thing will probably work great when I plug it back in. When you first turn it back on, the fan does not come on, the refrigeration does not come on immediately, but the water pump does. You'll see that there's water flowing. You can hear it. And then the refrigeration will kick on a moment later. Okay, skip ahead an hour or two. Still working great? Is it making ice? Dun da da da. Love that clear ice.